Hello everyone, welcome to my classroom. I'm Neetu Ann Thomas, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT Adur. So in our last class, we've learned about paraphrasing, the different ways in which you can paraphrase, what it really means, and how it is important for paraphrasing. So hope it is clear for everyone, and I hope you've done the activity too. Now in this class we'll be learning about verbal analogies. Verbal analogies are all about relationship. They test your ability to see a relationship between two words and to recognize a similar relationship between two other words. Verbal analogy tests measure not only your understanding of the words but also your mental flexibility and ability to manipulate a relationship. So the key to analogy success is being able to express the relationship between an analogy, words in a pair, or how it is related even though it is not a pair. So it's all about finding similar relationship between pairs of words given to us as a test item. So in order to score well in analogies, the first thing to be done is to find the relationship between the pair. There are a lot of different relationships that exist actually. So for example, if the first example, as you can see, courage and hero. So courage is a defining characteristic of a hero, right? So to be a hero we need to be courageous. So courage is a characteristic of hero. So that is one type of analogy. In the second one you can see hope and pessimism. Lack of hope is a defining characteristic of pessimism. That is, if you do not have hope, you'll be a pessimistic person. But if you're hopeful, then you're an optimistic person. Pessimism and optimism are opposites. So the relationship here is of hope and pessimism is lack of hope is a defining characteristics of pessimism. Now, if you go for the third example, it is anger and emotion. So, can you tell me what is the verbal analogy that can be used for connecting anger and emotion? Anger is a type of emotion, right? So, anger is a type of emotion. Similarly, orange and fruit. An orange is a type of fruit. So, type is a verbal analogy. Similarly, clinic and nurse. A clinic is a place for a nurse. So that is a relationship. Similarly, mountain and hill. A mountain is a large hill. That is a relationship. Similarly, there is trembling and fear. Trembling or fear. Trembling is a sign of fear, right? If you are, if you if you fear a lot, then you tremble. That is, you'll shake your hands, legs, and also that's trembling, shivering. So trembling is a sign of fear. If you're fearful, then you'll be trembling. So that is a sign. So sign is a verbal analogy. Now engagement and marriage. An engagement comes before a marriage, right? So to confirm the marriage, you go for an engagement. So engagement comes before a marriage. So that is a verbal analogy. Hope you're clear with it. Now there is an activity question for you. Trial, jury. There are 4 options also being given. You can look into the dictionary and see the meanings if you are not aware of it, and see which option is right, and please comment it in the comment box. So if your option is correct, then I'll be able to understand that you fully understood this verbal analogies. So hope it is clear. It's very simple. You should only know the relationship between the two words or a pair of words. The question which you've given is a pair of words, right? Trial and jury. For the examples, I've given only one pair of words. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, you're open. You can ask me any doubts. I'll be always available. So that's all for the day. Thank you.